So this is our lesson assignment 6 snake game. Let me go ahead and run the program. So we have the click start to play menu here, and we have a start, stop and exit button. So let me start the game. We have a score of 0. When you start the game, every time the snake eats food, we get 1 points. If we whenever we collide, it says out of bound, we can start the game over. If we collide straight, okay, it's game over. We can start the game again. Every time we eat the food, we get 1 points. So if we collide with the body, it says self collision and game over. Can you start the game again? This time we eat the food, the score update from by 1 point or by 1 points. We use the arrow key to move up, down, left, right. Likewise, self collision. Start, we can stop the game. Stop, it will pause, we can resume the game. Exit, it will go back.